Tontion 3400 Lux Video Projector Review, Pros and Cons. Pros. Easy to use and easy to understand controls. Lightweight and portable, 3 by 6 by 8 inches and 2 pounds. Bright and vivid colors with good illumination, good picture production. Well-written instructions. You can install it in any positions because the flip button is scrollable through upside to downside. It can read various file types such as .mp3, .mp4, .text, .jpg and others. Very good sound as confirmed by many users playing music and videos. The HDMI connection is very reliable for watching videos and PC connections. It works well even in daylight. Considering the low price of this projector, it is the best projector for many users. Easy and advanced control to tune up the picture to get the most out of it. Cons. It does not come with AAA batteries. The fan sound is a little noisy but acceptable by users. The 2.0 USB port is not very helpful because it cannot handle 60 fps video.